Let's go ahead and install the JDK onto our machine. Now that URL I have on screen, the bit.ly ps JDK download, is set to point to whatever the current version of the JDK is. As I'm recording this, the current version is JDK 8, so that's the one I'll install. If you watch this course into the future and another version, JDK 9 or 10 comes out, that same URL you see will take you to the appropriate place to download that current version. So here we are in our browser. So let's go ahead and put in that URL. We'll hit enter. And so here we are at the current download page, or I should say, here we're at the page where you can get the current Java downloads. You notice here on the left, we've got one here for the JDK, also called the Java platform. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Here we are on the JDK download page. So we're going to scroll down here a little bit. So you see that here's all the various versions we can download. And basically, you just download the version for whatever platform you're using, right? If you're on Linux, you get that one, of course. If I was on my Mac right now, I get the Mac one. But in this case, I'm currently on a 64-bit Windows machine. So I want to install that version, right? Windows 64. One thing you want to make sure you remember to do is accept this license. Right? If you don't accept the license, it won't allow you to do the download. Right? So when we're ready, we just go ahead and click on this to download the file. So my download's completed. So I'm going to go ahead and just run the installer. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on this guy. And now here we are inside the installer, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and let the installer get started here. Going to go ahead and say, yep, go ahead and install everything. And you'll notice that one of the things that it has here is that the JRE, the Java runtime. So it actually puts that in there for us. So I'm going to say, yep, go ahead and do that. You notice here it prompts us again for a destination folder, because again, this is the folder where the Java runtime is going to go. I'm going to go ahead and just accept the default for that. So I'll say next. And with that, we're done. We now have the JDK along with the JRE installed on our computer.